Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shubhashree Ma'am. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will do the second part of the pair of linear equation. In the second part, I will tell you how to solve the pair of linear equation which is with decimal point. Okay, so this one is very important question, so watch carefully and learn carefully and also practice properly. This one is also we will do by elimination method and then substitution method. So let us start. Solve for x and y. So our question number 1, what is that? That is 0.4x plus 0.3y equals to 2.3, and then 2.5x minus 2y equals to minus 5. You notice that the before one digit decimal point is there and we have to remove this decimal point. So what we will do? We will multiply by 10 both the equation. Before one digit point is there, so we will multiply by 10 so that the point will shift one digit right side. So remove the point. So what we will get? We will get 0.4 into 10 means what? 4 point will shift one digit right. So we will get 4x plus 3y equals to 2.3 into 10. So point will shift. So right side. So we will get 23. This is our equation number 3. Next 2.5 into 10 we will get 25x minus 2 into 10 to 20y minus 5 into 10 to minus 50. This is our equation number 4. Last video I told you first step is you will make one numerical coefficient of any one variable equal. Here we will make y equal. So for that we are multiplying equation number 3 by 20 and 4 by 3. So what we are getting, you see? So 4 into 20. So we will get what? 80x, and 3 into 20. So plus 60y equals to 23 into 20. So 460. Okay. Next 25 into 3, that is 75x minus 60y equals to 150 minus 150. You can see that variable y, the coefficient are both are 60, but one is plus, one is minus. I told you अलग हो तो क्या है, अलग तो addition करना है. So we will do the addition, okay, and we will adding this equation number 5 and 6. What we will get? You will write this way, okay, adding equation number 5 and 6 we get this way, you will write. So this is our equation number 5 and 6. Again I have written so that it will be easier for you to understand. Right, this is equation number 5 and this one is equation number 6. Now we will do addition. Plus 60y and minus 60y both alag hai, so we will cancel it. Plus 60y and minus 60y we will cancel. We will do addition. So 80 plus 75 equals to 155x equals to 460 minus 150. So what you will get? You will get 310. So from here easily you can find the value of x, right? So x equals to 310 divided by 155. So if you multiply 155 by 2, you will get 310. So the value of x we got what? 2. So we can put this value of x2 in any equation to find the value of y. So I am putting in equation number 3. So substituting, you will write this way, substituting x equals to 2 in equation 3, we get 4x. So 4 into 2, because the value of x is 2, plus 3y equals to 23. Now that implies 3y equals to 23 minus 4 2s are 8, because we are shifting from left hand side to right hand side. That implies 3y equals to what? Equals to 15. 23 minus 8, 15. So that implies y equals to, easily all of you can say, 15 by 3. So it is 3 5s are 15. So our value of y is what? 5. So we got x equals to 2 and y equals to 5, right? So this way you will write hence x equals to 2 and y equals to 5. I hope all of you understood, but still if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will clear your doubt. Wait for my next video. Today is this much, and bye bye.